Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by washing and drying your hands thoroughly. This prevents transfer of oils and germs. Once done, open the lens case and confirm you have the correct right or left lens, solution, and an intact lens with proper concave orientation. Make sure the lens edge forms a smooth bowl on your fingertip. If it flares out or folds, it's inside out. Now gently lift the lens out using your index finger and prepare to bring it to the eye. Positioned at a mirror, hold your chin steady and look slightly upward. This gives room to work. With your non-dominant hand, lift the upper eyelid to prevent blinking, and pull the lower lid down with the middle finger of your dominant hand for a clear landing zone. Bring the lens straight toward the center of the eye on the tip of your index finger. Place it gently on the white or lower part of the eye, then slowly release the lids and blink to let it settle. Make sure it feels centered and comfortable. After seating the lens, blink slowly and look around. This helps the lens center and the tear film smooths out. Check your vision for clarity and your eye for redness. If the lens feels dry, apply 1 or 2 preservative-free rewetting drops and blink until comfortable. When done, rinse and rub the used lens with recommended solution and store in fresh solution if reusing monthly, and replace the storage case regularly. If sudden pain, redness, or blurred vision persists, remove the lens immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.